Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each, 4 cups mixed greens, spinach, arugula, kale, etc., 1 avocado, sliced, 1 cucumber, sliced, 1 half red onion, thinly sliced, 1 half cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 2 tablespoons olive oil for grilling, salt and pepper to taste, 1 lemon, cut in half for grilling and dressing. For the dressing: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon, Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon honey, optional, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Prepare the salmon. Rub the salmon fillets with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Squeeze some lemon juice on top. 2. Grill the salmon. Preheat the grill or a grill pan to medium-high heat. Place the salmon skin side down and grill for 5 minutes per side, or until the salmon is cooked through and slightly crispy on the outside. Remove from the grill and set aside to rest. 3. Prepare the salad. In a large bowl, combine mixed greens, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and avocado. 4. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, Dijon mustard, honey, optional, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. 5. Assemble the salad. Place the grilled salmon on top of the salad. Drizzle the dressing over the top and serve immediately. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful grilled salmon salad.
In your eyes, I find my place. A love so deep I can't erase.